I'm Dr. Johan van der Wyver from Olds, Alberta, and I've been on a medical mission just recently coming back from Rwanda, where we've looked at, physically examined and looked at the orphans that's been taken care of through the Home of Hope mission. And our biggest need currently is, and it will surface in the next 2 months, is the annual sponsorship of health cards. There's an excellent primary healthcare program in Rwanda, and if we can have the $6 sponsorship for each of these kids, we can have the next 12 months covered for primary healthcare in that country. So the healthcare cards that these kids will obtain by paying the $6, $6 US, will give them access basically 24/7 to clinics that's in the city of Kigali, the capital, but especially in the rural areas where the health situation can be dire and a need because of malnutrition and even HIV. The infection rate at the moment is between 10 and 15% in the rural areas. And this will give them the access to HIV medications and to medical care, primary basic medical care, when they have a health card in their possession.